Nice spoon.
Zulu and Zinga, you guys are cute.
Thank you.
Her name, Ninja.
Oh, that's her.
Dance.
Yep, they're dancing.
Special.
He retired at 2.5. He's 4. They're both 4.
Cute.
Hi.
How are you? Nice
Good.
to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you.
That's Zinja.
Hi,
There's
Zulu.
Zulu.
Hi, Zulu.
Zulu has the white around her neck, so that's how
Okay.
you would know. And he has the marking, which
Oh,
is
okay.
actually in the shape of a heart, believe it or not.
It is. All right, so let's go on inside.
What happens if I left?
They'll whimper.
Come here, little dear. Here. On the bed. Come here, Zinj. You want to come on the bed? You, Zinj. You too? What?
What do you got there? You got a toy. Oh boy, the toys are coming out.
All right, well, you guys have been great. Thank you so much. Enjoy your evening. Be
Bye,
safe.
guys.
Okay,
Thanks.
continue to be safe.
All right.
too.
Bye.
See ya.